This is Circumferential Road 3, in town of Saraga.
Starting at the intersection of Coastal Road and C3 at Barangay Talaugis, Saraga.
The property is on the left side?
Right side.
Right side.
After crossing the bridge at Halao River, separating, yan.
Ito pwedeng tubig at kwan dito, walang kwan dito.
This property that we are traversing is also for probable joint venture and sale.
How big to? 5 hectares,
159 hectares. 159 hectares.
Yung sa right side.
Ito, ganda.
Both sides, no?
It's at our back, bordered by the Guimaras Strait and the Coastal Road is 200 hectares. Kailangan big investor for, let's say, economic zone or industrial zone. Wala namang ginagawa ng mga zone, mga bulites.
Yung property natin sa unahan pa?
Sa unahan pa.
Paakyat pala, no?
Kasi siniguro nila na pang next 100 years siya eh. Kasi magbabackfill ka naman anyway.
C3, no? Ito yung C3. Daan ng airport to, itong C3.
Daan ng airport.
Tapos kung nagmamadali ka, dito yung daan mo.
C3 is all the way to Antique ito. Itong daan na all the way to Antique.
Daan ng sa Sunset Boulevard. Hindi na, sa taas pa. Sa taas pa.
From the airport kasi tuloy itong San Miguel. Then tuloy itong bayan ng Alimujan, then Leon.
Okay.
And then to boundary na ng Iloilo Antique. So itong marker natin, sir, after crossing the bridge.
Ito, bridge, okay.
Malapit na. Kasi from here galing ng center section mga 1.8 kilometers din eh.
Okay.
Then galing dito to the property, that's another mga 1.5 kilometers. So basically, ano rin siya, between the town ng Saraga and the dagat. So as to the fresh water, as to the idea na in the next 50 years hindi tayo mag saltwater seepage,
wala na dito.
This is perfect. Ang maganda dito, ang likuran ng property is a creek. Yan, fresh water. In fact, the property can be viable for a housing project. Dahil zona 80% ng portion niya zona sa residential na. The zoning value per BIR is 1,006. It's being sold at 2,000. Yes. And mind you, sir, mura yan because hindi pa ito nagpo-4 lane. Alam mo naman yung psychology pag na-feel ng mga owners na may mga movement na taas na yung presyo namin kasi 4 lane na. But this is already C3.